Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing this video on a P0015 code. If you guys don't know what it is, it stands for exhaust B camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. So essentially, you probably have this code. If you guys have a check engine light, you probably know this code from the check engine light. You guys plug in an OBD2 scanner for this. So basically, if you guys have like hard starting and poor idling, it's just a couple of the issues that you might have if you guys have this code, and it's related to the timing of the camshaft. So if you guys have these symptoms with a check engine light, you guys might want to get a scanner for this code. This code, like I said, essentially means it stands for exhaust B camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. This code involves your vehicle's camshaft timing, specifically your VVT, and that's also known as a variable camshaft timing, which is VCT, VVT, VVC. They're pretty much the same, and this code will be triggered once the powertrain control module or your car's computer PCM detects that your car's camshaft timing is a little bit slow. So essentially, if you guys don't know, modern vehicles use a variable timing system to adjust the timing of your intake or exhaust valves to increase your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Once the PCM detects that the camshaft does not respond accordingly, it's essentially the camshaft timing is too slow or delayed, it'll trigger this the error code P001. Essentially, if you guys get this code with that, what you guys want to do is look for these issues where you might be able to just figure out what these issues are. So essentially, let's go down the list of things you guys might want to look for if you guys have this code. You guys might want to make sure that your VVT solenoid or oil control valve is not having any kind of issues. You might have to switch that out just to figure that out. I don't think the VVT solenoids actually trigger a code. I'm not sure on that if they do trigger a specific code. But if you guys have this P0015 code and you guys have a specific code for the VVT solenoid, you might want to just swap that out, or maybe just figure out if the filter on the solenoid is dirty or not. But you might just want to swap that out. You could have like low engine or oil levels. That's possible. If you first thing you guys might want to check with this code is you guys might want to just check the engine oil just to make sure that it's not low. You might have a one timing chain or a timing belt. You might have problems with timing tensioners or guide. You could have a circuit problem in your VVT system, or you might have a VVT actuator issue. So let's move on to the symptoms that you guys might have with this code. Your vehicle could be stalling. You guys could have like decreased fuel efficiency and engine performance. You guys could have poor idling, hard starting, or rallying noise from the engine. So basically, if you guys have this issue, you guys have this code, if you guys have this code with other codes, that's probably going to cut down on trying to diagnose what's causing this issue. If not, definitely go through the list of stuff that I mentioned earlier. Check your oil, Make sure your VVT solenoids aren't having kind of issues, and the rest of the other stuff that I mentioned. If you guys have any questions on this, definitely leave a question in the comments section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.